Hello everyone. Today demonstrative in activity to show. Today see reaction in HCl and zinc metal. This is HCl. As soon as zinc metal add in HCl. So produce hydrogen gas and check the pop sound through hydrogen gas present.